rather have that in the background. So I am back in these streets. Hey, turn up. Yes, my official first ride of the season. I mean, I didn't go far, but I did get out on my bike. I think, no, I know Mr. 20 and I, we were like two kids in a candy store when we hit the first corner out of our community. That was the first time I was able to ride with him since last year. So just a quick confessions. My bike went out as far as the wheel bearing last year in October when we went to Panama. You should have, get my thoughts together. The video for when the bike got repaired should have already been posted by this point. So check out that vid. We got the bike fixed, and then basically the agreement was if I wasn't riding my bike, Tivo, Mr. Trinity wouldn't ride his as well. However, he did get out a couple times, which is cool. It is what it is. Being stuck, as I feel like a hermit, as I say sometimes, because I am doing schoolwork and everything, not able to get out on the streets, and where we live, you constantly hear the bikes going back and forth, and I'm like, so he asked, how did it feel? Like, did you have like any bike withdrawals? Yeah, I did. I didn't understand as far as like when he had this injury. Let me take that back. I understood as far as like when you pause. Okay, I understood as far as like not riding, feeling some type of way. But yes, being without my bike for, God, it was 4+ months. It was horrible. But I did get schoolwork done, and I stated that I wasn't going to be riding my bike anyway once I really need to focus. I have until April 14th to get done with my dissertation, so this was like my little kind of like reward, seeing that I stayed up from like 8:30 Saturday morning until like 3 a.m. the following morning doing my proposal. So got Mr. 20. I'm gonna turn around this way so you can see the beautiful Chattahoochee River, as you can see right there behind us. So so my little confessions. Yes, I finally got out in these streets. This is our first time riding together. So excited. And as he's posted like little pictures here and there of like flashbacks or blasts from the past or whatever you want to call them, throwbacks. He's my little frick and I'm his frack as far as us riding in these streets and having fun, just enjoying life. And that's what I feel like at the end of the day. Riding a bike is a way to express yourself. It's a sense of freedom. Like the water just flows. That's how it is riding these bikes, and this guy out here just doing the most.
I finally got to wear the Icon jacket correctly.
Yes.
In the correct weather. This jacket I was kind of confused about because it keep you warm and it's kind of light. So I was like, are you supposed to wear it in the winter or are you supposed to wear it in the summer? But it keep you warm, so you don't want to wear it in the summer because you get all hot. But today it's like 49, maybe 53, and it's just like amazing. I feel great. I feel like I'm doing the right thing. You know when you do the right motorcycle thing, you be like, oh yeah, that's how I feel.
Yes, proper gear. So this is more of his, that'll be more of a spring going into fall type jacket. Mine's is what I'm wearing today. It's a 3-season, both rocking Icon today. Shout out to Icon. So, but yeah, I definitely will be getting more gear because I'm like, this bike life is expensive. It's fun. It's just a way.
Yeah, people always think it's like, oh my God, you only pay $5 for gas, but what about everything else, bro?
Yes.
Tires
reason
cost
why,
a lot, brakes cost a lot. Come on, bro. It's just so much to it.
And that's the reason why it took so long for me to get my bike. I did post prior to finally getting the rim to Will Nation, asking about if anyone had a rim to sell. But the second go around, I posted, I think to Will Nation, but a couple other bike groups as well on Facebook. And shout out to, I believe it was Atlanta Motorcycle Riders. I think that's who it is. But yeah, that's pretty much to wrap up the confession. I am back in the streets. Will I be riding? Not much. School first. So once that is done, I have a couple of events with Mr. 20 that we'll be putting together. And yeah, we're just going to be out here enjoying life. As he said earlier, you'll have to catch his vlog and all that stuff. People do get bored, but you have to make your adventure at the end of the day. And that's why we're the Misadventures of TNT. So check us out for the next motovlog, confessions, just us in general. And till next time, love and light.
Peace.
We're out.